Bakit ka umiiyak, Quentin?
Naiyak ko!
Ba't ka umiiyak ngayon? Nainis ka sa sarili mo? O nainis ka kay ma'am?
Ayak ko!
Guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, si Quentin gusto sumayaw sa harap. Quentin, are you ready for rainbow?
Selfie daw, selfie.
Nakailang picture na tayo. 1, 2, 3, and cheers! Smile! Ako na. Guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, si Quentin gusto sumayaw sa harap.
Sa harap.
Nakakaya ka lang.
You want to dance?
Quentin, are you ready for rainbow?
Yeah.
In front.
No.
You will watch.
Ano lang? Salo? Ano lang?
Ang galing! You're dancing, oh! Galing!
Alin na din more?
Bawal!
Bawal!
Bawal?
Oo. Wala, ewan ko nga, ewan ko.
Hindi natin alam, no?
Ito na.
Wala nga.
Ito na, guys, yan. This is what brings us here.
Ay, parang ako yun.
Say hi, pagay ka sa friends natin dyan.
Hi,
Say
everybody.
Hi!
Hi. You say my name is?
Ganyan po.
Wow!
Say mo yung tina, say here, beside Dina. Oh, you introduce us. What's her name?
Yung may sexy.
Sardina Sexy. How about here?
Yung may sexy.
Jenny Sexy.
Yung may sexy.
Wow!
Kaya may sexy.
Pero who are you walking for or walking with today?
Ako.
Can you tell us more po about Quentin? How would you
Pero ko siya lahat yung kaso
Yan.
ko.
Quentin loves to dance.
Yo, mama.
Loves to dance? Of course!
Quentin loves to sing.
Yes.
sing ka nga?
O, ikaw ba?
If meron po kayong isang bagay about autism na gusto ninyo mas maintindihan ng mga tao, ano po
Yun.
Yun nga.
Yun nga
Kaya,
daw eh.
kaya,
Yun nga eh.
That you shouldn't be scared of them.
Yes, tama naman.
Tama?
Ang pinakatama pagsagot niyan si Ken.
Oo.
Sige.
I think there's already awareness. Nandun na tayo sa acceptance. Do we accept them to be part of our community? Do we accept that kasama natin sila sa workplace? Kasama natin sila sa tabi ng sine? Sa simbahan? We cannot judge them. We cannot judge the family. If we be kind to
Yes.
one person, to one neurodivergent, we're being kind to the whole family, and eventually we can change a whole community.
Yes.
We support
an Autism OK Philippines.
Bakit ka umiiyak, Quentin?
Maya ko.
Nahihiya ka ba?
Yes.
Bakit ka nagalit kanina? Nagulat ka?
Ayaw ko.
Yung totoo, Quentin, you tell me, ba't ka nagagalit? Nagulat ka?
Yes.
Ba't ka umiyak ngayon? Nainis ka sa sarili mo? O nainis ka kay ma'am?
Ayaw ko.
Yung totoo, you tell me. Ba't ka umiyak? You tell me. Ba't ka umiyak? Sa ulo? Quentin, nagulat ka ba? You answer first, Quentin. Nagulat ka?
Yes.
So ngayon, umiiyak ka kasi nainis ka sa sarili mo?
No, ito naman.
Eh ano?
Salahan sa lang ako eh.
Masaya ka na?
Sino?
Ikaw?
Sino ikaw?
Ikaw, si Quentin. Eh, ba't ka umiiyak? Kanino ka nagagalit? Sa akin o sa sarili mo? Sa akin? Bakit ka nagagalit sa akin? Iniinis mo lang ako? Yung truth, you tell me. So, mommy will understand. Ba't ka umiiyak? Are you disappointed with yourself?
Ma?
Are you disappointed with yourself?
Yes.
Because you practice so many times and then nasa stage ka, ganun nangyari? Ganun ba yon? So, next time, you will be calmer on stage?
Mama ko.
Ako. Okay ka ba?
Yes.
Or no more next time na?
Meron.
So, we will practice first on stage with smaller people. Kasi kanina, 40,000 eh. Okay po? But were you happy with the experience?
Yes.
How do you feel?
After shy po.
You felt shy. So, na-overwhelm ka na, shy ka. Nagkaroon ka ng stage fright. Ganun ba?
So, Dok na Blanta.
You saw the Malanta, so you pulled him para he can be with you?
Yes.
Okay. Next time, you will behave? You will try?
Yes.
So next time, when you go upstage, no clapping. No shouting.
Yes.
You will just sing
Kanina?
sa mga tao. Pero hindi sila magka-clap.
Hindi po.
After ng kanta, pwede na sila mag-clap.
Opo.
Pero before kanta, pwede sila mag-clap? Hindi.
During kanta, pwede mag-clap.
Opo sila.
Pero yung pag-akit mo, kaklap sila, hindi. Hindi.
Parang sa mass. Sa start ng mass, wala nagka-clap. Habang nag-gloria, nagka-clap. Tapos yung to, di ba? After na mass, papa. So parang misa lang. Simula, siya lang yung maingay. Yung bell lang niya.
Okay.
Ganun din ang tingin natin sa song.
Okay. Oh, you say sorry to ASP. So, you say sorry.
Kaya po sorry.
I will try
Try
to...
to behave.
Okay. What?
Nag-behave ka naman eh.
Nakabehave ka naman eh.
To control.
Control yourself. Oh. What will you do? Big air. Show me big air, Quentin. Big air. Ayun, ginagawa niya. Isa pa. Big air. Bubbles. No. Big air. Bubbles. Big air. Bubbles. Nag-i-inhale ka ba o parang lumalaki lang yung mata mo eh? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Okay, high five. But are you happy? Hindi ka happy sa ginawa mo? Shy ka. Sinabi mo na nga kanina, shy ka eh. What do you want to say to mom?
Thank you.
Sorry, Q. You're saying sorry to yourself because you cannot control your emotion.
Kaya kakakins.
Kaya mo. Next time. So, hindi na tayo kakanta doon. Kakanta pa. Kakanta. You have to say it. Ayoko na puro action. Kakanta tayo or hindi?
Opo.
Ano yung opo? You have to say it in a full sentence. Yes po.
Sing na po.
You will sing. Are you going to run?
No na po, no. Sorry pa, madam.
What are you going to say to Ninang Jelly?
Sorry.
About to Ninang Carmina?
Sorry din.
How about to Jenny Sexy?
Sorry na, madam.
Okay, now you can sing. Falling out, falling in.
And then,
Hindi, ikaw na lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
kid na mag-ins.
It na muna. Say bye-bye.
Sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Friends.
Friends. Okay pa?
What right now?
Partners. Okay sa'yo?
How about singers?
O sige, singers. Singers. Okay pa?
Sige po.
Bye guys. Bye.
Take a little time, baby. See the butterflies, colors. Listen to the birds that will sing to sing for me and you. Can you hear me? This is such a wonderful place to be. If you need a race, pay now. Everything will be alright. As long as the world still to stay, will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain.